Hello dear Capricorn, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. So before we begin our reading for the month of October 2020, I request all the Capricorns to please do like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that. So let's begin your reading for the month of October 2020. I have your cards here with me ready, and what I am seeing is a lot of love coming this month for Capricorn. Oh wow. And I have the card world, I have the card ace of swords, and then I have the card knight of cups. So looking at these cards, I am sensing that someone special is going to walk into your life this month. Yeah. Who is sensible, who is matured, someone who is matured, someone who is responsible. You see, some you will be connecting someone like this who is responsible, matured, also who is sensible enough, and this is where which is going to give you put you in a better position, of course emotionally. Okay, and then at the same time I'm also seeing new prospects, new prospects coming into your life, probably with the entry of this person, or even without that also. See, if those who are already engaged, then in that case I would say uh, you will be getting you will be getting benefited from someone who is caring, or someone who is matured again. I mean, someone who is matured and sensible. So you are going to benefit with this person, and I'm also seeing you moving forward very confidently this month, Capricorns, because yeah, you have the lot of opportunities coming up again. You are opening to your life is opening to lot many opportunities this month, both at the emotional side, at the love side, and also at the career front. Also get an opportunity to increase your income. Yeah, so this is somewhat a very much favorable month for you, Capricorns. And I'm also seeing you are going to get some new authority at the workplace, in the sense some new assignment going to come to you, and increase of responsibilities also, which is really good. And better clarity, stimulated work environment is what I'm seeing this month, dear Capricorn, and which is going to keep you occupied, which is going to keep you on edge. And probably that is what is going to open you with a lot many opportunities also, Capricorns. So just be ready to go on this lovely, beautiful and adventurous ride also. Okay, I have your energy card here with me, which is due to romance. As that I say yes. So this is a time which is opening your possibilities towards love. So those who are seeking to get into relationship, definitely you will find something. Yeah, definitely you will find yourself lucky into that. And those who are already engaged, probably you will get a time to have some really intimate moments with your loved ones, or some caring support may be coming to you this month. Again, emotional support coming to you this month, which is going to help you in many different ways, dear Capricorn. And I also have another card for you, which is a message from the angels. And when I drew it, is like, again love, see only love. So the angels are asking you to see only love and nothing else. Because I just read the message and then we'll interpret that. Look past the seeming errors, mistakes, and misunderstandings, and see only the love within each person, including yourself. Sorry. Your resolute focus upon the love that underlies every situation brings about healing in undreamed of ways. Excuse me. Yeah, so here the angels are guiding you to see only love and leave all the worries, mistakes, misunderstandings, errors, everything behind you, because they have no space in the future. This is a very clear guidance, this is a very clear message from the angels for you. You should only be focusing upon love. That means even if you're working something, do something that you want to do, and see that you are gaining happiness from that, and not just mistakes and not just misunderstandings. So leave everything, all these things, and just move forward, because this is the month which is going to give you that happiness from your work, from your family life, from your other life, also from other part of life. And definitely when you are doing good emotionally, you will be able to do financially well also, isn't it? So yeah, I think this is a time where you should try to be within you, try to build yourself emotionally strong, try to change your perceptions, try to make a better perception of yourself. And then definitely things will become very lighter then, isn't it, Capricorn? Yeah. So this is before I wind up, I also want Capricorns to please do share your honest review under this video in the comment section. Hmm. And I really wish you good luck, because this is going to be a really good and great month for you, dear Capricorns. I wish you good luck and see you again in the next month. Till then, bye bye, take care.